Hi, I'm Atty from Good Device Labs. I'm going to be showcasing our CanaryQA automated testing system's ability to interface with buttons. We have a blog post which I'll link below that discusses some of the benefits behind physically pressing buttons over using a pure software approach, such as avoiding physical modifications of your device. In this video, however, I'd like to discuss the API that our customers will have access to, what a test script might look like, and how to upload and run tests using our web UI. In this example, we'll be working with a Beeline Moto, a simplified navigation system for motorcycles. It has 4 buttons and a backlight. We won't be using any interfaces for feedback or confirmation, though these can be added separately, for example using a sensor for the backlight and Bluetooth connectivity. CanaryQA uses PyTest, so if you've used it before, you should find yourself in a familiar environment. We augment PyTest with a series of widgets. In this case, we'll be looking specifically at the button widget. As the device has 4 buttons, we start by getting a handle to each of them. The names used here are agreed with the customer, and they may reference the markings on the enclosure or PCB. We've defined a simple sequence that will be used a number of times throughout the scripts to toggle the backlight. Fundamentally, it presses the left, up, and right buttons in that order. Below, we have a couple of utility functions, one to run a sequence of button presses, and another to call a given function on all buttons. Moving on to the tests. We start by getting the button widgets into their ready state. The first interaction with the device is simply to wake it up. The second test will turn the backlight on and then off. Test 3 will navigate to the status screen. The final test will open the About screen showing the device's firmware version and other details, before closing it and returning to the home screen. For all of these tests, we first enable the backlight and then turn the backlight off after the test's goal has been achieved. Finally, we return the button widgets to their safe state, allowing physical access to the device if necessary. Now that we've written our tests, we can upload them to the CanaryQA system using the web UI or via the API. Here we'll use the web UI. Log in to the system and navigate to the test section. We'll create a new package and upload a new version of the test. Now we can schedule a test. Navigate to the Schedule Test section, select the relevant options, and press Schedule. The test will run and the results will be available for review. While you're waiting, you can track the progress in the Results section. While the tests are running, I'll show you a live view of the device and its test fixture. After the test run is completed, you can review the PyTest output. We hope that this demonstration has been useful. If you are interested in our automated testing services, then please visit our website or get in touch using the email address below.